Dear students, in this video I will explaining you about the consolation tournament. The consolation tournament is a tournament in which we provide the second opportunity to the team those who are defeated in knockout tournament. Consolation tournament. Consolation tournament is a process to giving opportunity to any team after losing the match in knockout tournament. Sometimes it has seen that talented team got eliminated in first round. It seems a setback for the talented team. So this type of tournament give the another opportunity to talented team again to show their skill and performance in the tournament. There are two ways by which we provide opportunity to the defeated team in consolation tournament. Type 1. In this type, each team gets two opportunity to play the match. If a team got defeat in first time in regular round, then also it has another opportunity to play again in consolation round. In type 2, in this type, if a team got defeat in all the rounds, then also he got the opportunity to play again in consolation round. Here we take an example of 8 teams and draw the fixture of 8 teams on knockout basis. First we do the calculation process according to the knockout rules. Here the total number of team is 8. Number of matches n minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7 matches. Then we divide the teams in upper half and lower half. Number of teams in upper half n by 2, 8 by 2, 4 teams will be in upper half. Number of teams in lower half n by 2, 8 by 2 and 4 teams will be in lower half. Total number of rounds. Here the total number of rounds is depend upon the total number of team with nearest power of tools. Here the 2 per power 3. So the 3 rounds will be done in the tournament. Here the total number of teams in power of 2, hence no bye will be given to the team. After the calculation process, we draw the knockout fixture of 8 teams. In consolation tournament, there is a 2 round. One is a regular round and second is a consolation round. The teams, those who are defeated in regular round, they will play in consolation round. There is a 8 teams. We draw the fixtures of 8 teams. First, we enlist the total number of teams in ascending order. Then we divide the teams in upper half and lower half. In first round, the match between A and B, C and D, E and F, G and H. The match between A and B and A reach into the second round by defeating B. The match between C and D, D reach into the second round by defeating C. The match between E and F, F reach into the second round. The match between G and H, H reach into the second round. In second round, the match between A and D, F and G. The match between A and D and A reach into the final round. The match between F and G and F reach into the final round. In final round, the match between A and F, and finally F is the winner of the regular round. In consolation tournament type 1, we provide the opportunity to those teams who got defeated in first time. There are 4 teams got defeated in first time: B, C, E and H. In type 1 consolation round there are 4 teams. The match between B and C, E and H. In second round, the match between B and C, B forwarded to second round. The match between E and H, H forwarded to second round. The match between B and H. Finally, H is the winner of the consolation round. This is the fixture of consolation round type 1. In consolation round type 2, we provide the opportunity to all the teams who is defeated in all the round. There are 4 teams B, C, E, H defeated in first round by playing first match. The match between B and C, and B is the winner. The match between E and H is a winner. B and H forwarded to second round, and here is a D and G who is defeated in second round in regular knockout tournament. The match between D and B is the winner. The match between G and H is the winner. The match between B and H is a winner. H forwarded to third round and meet with the A. A is a defeated team of regular round. The match between A and H, and finally H is a winner of the consolation round type 2. This is the fixture of type 2 consolation round.